You okay?
Yeah.
You got bugs climbing on you? This is our location. High up on a hill. They dug a tunnel here. We're just checking it out. So it starts to sink there. And he's going in and following the hard rock. And then there's a flat area there with a pile. Now let's see what he's at. Jeez. That's deep.
It's getting harder.
It's a deep hole. Jesse and my little digger trying to open up a tunnel. We're almost at the top of the hill here. So it probably doesn't go very far because we are way up.
Yeah, if I keep going that way, not get worn out. Right?
You see the quartz vein?
See what I'm talking about?
Yeah. There's Grant. We're in a prospect. They were looking for gold ore. It goes almost 30 feet that way and ends with nothing. And then it goes this way on the vein. It's all falling apart. That goes probably almost 40 feet. It almost has a purplish color. Huh? Is it quartz back there?
Yeah.
Is there any stuff that's loose that you can just put in the bucket?
Not really.
little bit of ore out of this prospect we opened up.
Where'd you put that old piece of wood at? Oh, it's right there.
Wasn't much quartz with it though.
There's a. This is.
Look at the grain on that. That's really old timber.
It's been sitting in this cave for 100 years.
120. We spent about 4 or 5 hours on opening this up.
You gonna go the whole way in there?
Are you scared?
You can barely stand up there.